is my 09 Speed. I just installed the Corkport SRI last night, and I'm gonna see try and get some intake and blow off valve sounds. So far, my impressions with this is I had a CPE Nano that I had on here actually before that I sold to put this on. I actually thought the Nano, and that's excluding, that was the stock turbo, and I actually thought the Nano had a louder turbo suction sound. So I don't know if it's just the AN drive flow filter, if it's just actually muffling some of the sound or what, but I don't know if you could see down in there, buried within all these mess of wires or whatever. I got the full Corkport SRI turbo inlet and everything. So I'm gonna do a startup and then some revs. Usually you get the best sound. You do have to rev it up actually pretty high. So I'm not even sure if it's going to come out on this, or if you'll hear it over the loud ass ticking of the direct injection, but